Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? H plus I. High. School. High school. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Classic Concentration. Join me in welcoming back to our program also our returning champion, this lovely lady on my right. Her name is Michelle Marlowe, and she's won over $8,000 in prizes. We're delighted to have you here.
Thank you.
If you were watching yesterday, you'll recall that Michelle and I were talking about newborn babies, and both of us are expecting, and it's a blessed event, and good luck with yours.
Thank you.
And with mine, too, since mine is the first one. Whoops! Here's somebody who doesn't need luck. He's already got a couple. These two belong to our challenger in this game. His name is Mark Burr. Welcome, Mark.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet
Who
you.
we got here?
This is my fiancée and her daughter.
And her daughter.
This is Amanda, and believe it or not, she named her daughter Amanda also.
By gosh, and you're lucking out. You're going to marry this lovely young lady, and you're going to get a beautiful little girl in the bargain also?
Two Amandas, yes.
Two Amandas. NAS Point Mugu, California.
Yes, in fact, we even have a little hat for you from NAS Point Mugu, since we know you collect hats.
I do indeed, yes. I will wear this proudly. Let's see. It fits my head, too. How's that?
Very nice.
There we go. All right. Let's go. Matches my suit, too. New outfit for the Navy, folks. Double-breasted peak lapels.
That's the old outfit.
Old outfit? All right. Let's go over here and show you one of the prizes you're playing for in this game.
Part of K Jewelers' classic collection, this fashionable V-shaped diamond necklace, beautifully made in 14-karat gold, contains 33 sparkling diamonds, furnished by K Jewelers. Alex.
Let's show Michelle and Mark, our two M's, where they can find the gold and diamond necklace. It's at number 22. Now, while Jean was talking about that, that's an impressive prize, but Michelle noticed out of the corner of her eye, she said to Mark, "Do you see the trip? Do you see the trip? Look at what's available. It's a holiday in Singapore."
Outstanding. Very good.
And that excites Mark as well.
love it for a
That
honeymoon.
wouldn't be bad for a honeymoon, would
Great
it?
for a honeymoon,
All right,
yes.
you get to pick first, Mark. Good luck.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 7.
Wide-angle
Wide-angle
binoculars.
Let's see if we can match that wide-angle binoculars or a wild card under number 19.
Hey, you've got a wild card, and that's a match for you. The other wide-angle binoculars are at number 14. They would come in handy at the Naval Air Station, wouldn't they?
Yes,
See all
very
those
much.
birds littering or loitering on the runways. Let's open up these three panels for Mark Burr. And I suspect, as is usually the case, that it is too early to solve. So pick again, Mark.
Number 16, please.
Tennis server
Tennis
and
server
rackets.
rackets. Let's see if we can find a match or a wild card under number 9.
Computer. No match there, so we'll go over to Michelle.
Okay. How about number 2?
Singapore.
Number 20.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels. No match, but at least we know where part of that vacation is. Mark.
Okay, let me see if I can find the match that's Singapore. Let's try number 18.
35mm camera.
5mm camera. How about the match or a wild card under number 5?
Tennis server and rackets. No match, but a possibility now for Michelle.
Was that number 16?
Was it? Yes.
And number 5?
Number 5. There's a match. And so Michelle gets a prize also. And we open up 2 more panels. Michelle, go again.
Number 4?
Red take.
And number 18.
No. 35mm
That's
camera
right.
there. Mark.
Okay, let's try number 25.
Refrigerator, freezer.
How about the match or a wild card under number 11?
Choose 10 of your favorite novels. It didn't work for you. Maybe it'll work for Michelle.
Number 20?
I think it will.
And number 11 for the match.
That's the match. 10 of your favorite novels. Who's your favorite author?
I think James Nishner.
Really? Mm-hmm. Have you read all of his stuff?
No, I haven't.
No?
This will give me an opportunity to do so. though.
Okay. Yes, indeed. Let's open it up for her. Are you a big Sidney Sheldon fan?
Oh, I don't really read that type of novel too much.
No?
No.
Fun, exciting. Pick again.
Number 12.
Green tape.
Was that under number 4? No, that was the red
No,
tape.
that was the red tape. Mark.
Let's try number 8.
Wild card for Mark. Guess what he is going to select now?
I'll take Singapore, number 2.
Number 2. All right. The other Singapore is at number 24. You know something we've never had on the program is a contestant, after uncovering a wild card, say to me, okay, I'll take Singapore, and not give me the number. That would blow my mind. I'm not sure.
Where it was.
You knew where it was.
Where it was.
Yes, all the time. Let's open these 3 panels for Mark Burr. Go again.
Number 21.
Computer.
That was under number 9, I believe.
Yes. Good prize. Let's see how important these pieces are. Select again.
Number 15.
Green take.
Number 12.
Michelle was looking over Mark and was hoping that you would not remember where that green take match was. She's got the 10 of server and rackets, 10 of your favorite novels.
I think I'll save it for right now to protect my Singapore.
All right.
I'll protect my trip.
Open these 2 panels for Mark Burr. Michelle, let me ask you, do you think you can solve this puzzle right now? You've got that little grin going. Are you close?
I'm very close.
Very close. All right, Mark, a little more pressure for you. That's what I wanted to do.
Let's try number 22.
Navy thrives on pressure. Gold and diamond necklace.
Gold and diamond necklace. Number 3, please.
Nope, refrigerator freezer. Michelle, here's your chance.
Number 25.
Refrigerator
number 3.
freezer and number 3. There's a match. Now, you've got the 1X against you, so you have to win this game
That's
in order to
right.
stay alive on our show. And now Mark says he knows what the solution of this puzzle is. Can you solve it, Michelle? All right, go again. Keep making matches and opening it up.
What's behind number 13?
Red tape.
And number 4.
Red tape. Well, now, each of you has a tape, but you're in a position to use yours at this time, right now.
And I'd like to take Singapore. Sorry about that.
Singapore
Hopefully I'll
comes
get it
back to Michelle. Mark may get an opportunity to steal it back in a little bit. But for the moment, 2 more panels swing open for Michelle Marlowe. Pick again.
I do know what it is.
Number 6
Gold and diamond necklace.
and number 22.
22. She's accumulating prizes beautifully, but unless she solves the puzzle, it will all be for naught. Open these 2 panels.
Sitting on a powder barrel?
It's sitting on a powder barrel. No, it isn't.
Gosh.
Michelle, pick again. There is 1 wild card on the board right now.
Number 1.
Dessert of the month.
Number 10.
35 millimeter camera. If ever there was a golden opportunity for one of our contestants, it is Mark's right now.
Number 18.
35
And
millimeter
number
camera.
10.
There's the match.
I will take Singapore back.
Singapore coming back to Mark Burr. Open those 2 doors, and then we will show him 117 and 23 for dessert of the month and a wild card. So for 5 great prizes and a honeymoon, he says, in Singapore, Mark Burr solved the puzzle.
Sitting on a powder keg.
Is it sitting on a powder keg? Yes, that little keg on the St. Bernard's neck. Poor Michelle. It's a little small to be a barrel. Sitting on a powder barrel.
Congratulations, Mark.
All right, Mark, you get to go to work now and explain the puzzle.
Okay. This is a city, so plus NG, so sitting And then the light bulb is on, hey, A, and then pow, and a deer, and then a keg, sitting on a powder keg.
You know before Michelle made the mistake and called it a powder barrel, right?
Yes.
Well,
I was glad she missed it.
yeah, I know, because you were thinking about that trip to Singapore.
Yes.
Michelle, that's another strike against you, and that is 2 now, but you're going away with $8,116
That's
in prize.
wonderful.
Good luck with your baby.
Thank
Take
you.
care. So long, Michelle.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for all the advice, too. All right, Mark, come on over here. You want to hear about this, don't you?
Yes, I sure
Gene,
do.
tell them.
Wide-angle binoculars, a 35mm camera, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a 35mm camera or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And a computer, the Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. And dessert of the month. Every month, a scrumptiously different dessert will arrive at your home. Each dessert is made to serve 12 and is delivered in a reusable designer tin. Furnished by Dessert of the Month Club. Of us, there she blows. A prize package totaling $5,894.
Pretty good going for one game, isn't it?
Yeah,
Having fun?
Yes, very much so.
Yes. All right. We'll be back with a car round right after this. And Frank Mark said, oh, now comes the tough part. But you don't have an opponent to worry about. All you have to contend with is the clock.
That's true.
So here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock. 35 seconds. That's a little tough for your first time out, but who knows? You might win a brand new car. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No again.
5, 6.
Nope. Yes.
7, 8.
Nope.
9, 3.
Nope.
10, 2.
Nope.
9, 2.
Right.
11, 12.
No.
3, 12.
Yes.
15, 8.
No.
11, 15.
15 would have been a match. You were 1, 2, 3 cars short. You were very deliberate, very methodical about that. That's good. It helps you to concentrate. But when you have just 35 seconds,
I know.
you ain't going to win a car. But that's okay.
Eventually.
Eventually,
Eventually.
yes, that's a
Stay
good
on and keep
attitude.
winning.
You have $5,894 in prizes, including a trip to Singapore. And we have to take a break.
Buzzers pick.
Mark Burr is our new classic concentration champion. He won that game, and as he indicated a few minutes ago, he's got a lot of patience. He figures he's going to get back to the winner's circle. But if he does, he will have to defeat this young lady. She's our newcomer, and her name is Stacy Olson. Hiya, Stacy.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
San Jose.
San Jose, and you like jewelry. You're wearing
I do like
3
jewelry.
rings. What do you do in San Jose?
I'm a student at San Jose State.
Majoring
Senior.
Majoring in?
Journalism.
Journalism, with a view to working for a newspaper or in broadcast journalism?
Newspaper, magazine, hopefully.
Here in Southern California?
Anywhere I can
Anywhere
get a
at all?
job, sure.
Yeah, in that career, do you have to start with a weekly and then move up to the big dailies?
You can start at a smaller daily in a smaller town.
All righty.
Yeah,
Good luck to you in our game. You ready to play?
you bet.
Okay, take a look over here. We'll show you one of the prizes you're competing for in this one.
This elegant kidney-shaped knee-hole desk is crafted of fine mahogany solids and veneers topped in dark brown bonded leather with 22-karat gold tooling and backed with shelves for book storage furnished by Sly. Alex.
Beautiful piece of furniture. We'll show Mark and Stacy where they can find it. It's at number 13. To get you off to a good start in this game, we are going to reveal 2 pieces of the puzzle immediately. And while we do that, I'll tell you about the 5 bonus car seconds we have in this game. We've got $700 in the cash pot, and we have a holiday on Duck Island in Florida. So let's reveal now 2 panels. Number 17 and number 24. And Stacy, you go first.
Okay, I'd like to start with number 4.
Wild card.
Well, I think that desk would help me with my homework, so I'm going to try number 13 for the
Get
desk.
inspiration from the
Yeah.
desk, the mahogany desk. The other one, the match for that, is on the top line at number 2. Put that prize up here and show this young lady these 3 panels. 5 of them visible now. Pick again, Stace.
Okay, how about number 12?
Green take.
Green take. Let's try and match that green take or find a wild card under number 20.
Duck Island, Florida vacation. Mark, you've already got your big holiday. You want to win something else, don't you?
Let's see what we can find on the board here. How about number 9?
Patio dining
group. How about a match or a wild card under number 16?
Red take. No match. Stacy?
Okay, let's look under number 21.
Patio dining group.
And I believe we saw that under number 9.
Correct. There's a match for you. 2 for the lady. 2 more doors swinging open. Nothing yet. Keep going.
Let's try to find that Duck Island holiday under 25.
No, we have a diamond and a ruby pendant.
That would be quite adequate, I think.
Ah.
How about a match for that diamond ruby pendant under number 11?
Hey, guess what? We found another wild card, another match for you. The other diamond and ruby pendant would have been a natural match at number 14, so 3 more doors swinging open for you. Select.
Okay, let's look at number 10.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, now that would be very nice. How about a match for the 5 bonus car seconds under number 3?
No match. We have the cash spot there. Mark, over to you. Whoa, there's the bell. We ran out of time quickly on this one. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll start revealing the puzzle for you. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Mark?
Drawn and quartered.
Is it drawn and quartered? Yes. Cruel punishment indeed. No prizes up there, but we'll take another shot at the car. Let's go to the board. Came to you just at the last second, didn't it?
Sure did.
All right, explain it to the folks at home.
Okay, we have the gun and it's drawn. Then we have plus the N is drawn. And then the hand and the quarter plus the D is drawn and quartered.
Drawn and quartered. It seems so simple when you explain it that way. But when you're looking at the puzzle, you could look at that lady and say, oh gosh, is it a cowgirl? Is it Belle Star? What is it?
I couldn't figure out what she was.
That could confuse you a great deal. Stacy, it was a short visit, but you're going to get to play again. We've got 1 strike against you, that's all. So we'll pull you off stage, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Take care. All right, Mark. We're going to take another break right now. There were no prizes in your prize column at that time, but that's all right. We're going to add 5 seconds to the clock. We'll have 40 seconds to work with when we return in the bonus round following this. It's been a while since I've talked about the home game, but I hope that if you're considering becoming a contestant on our program, that you will get the home game and do some practicing with it, because believe me, it can pay off. All right, Mark, you ready to play for a brand new car? Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, and the clock is now going to show 40 seconds. Off you go.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 1.
Right.
4, 2.
Good start.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 8.
No.
9, 10.
No.
5, 10.
Right.
11, 6.
Right.
12, 7.
Right.
13, 14.
Nope.
9, 15.
Yes, looking
8,
good.
14.
You got it. Tell them about it, Gene.
Okay, Alex, Mark, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, single overhead cam engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, and power steering, furnished by Mitsubishi. A prize worth over $10,100.
That's a beautiful car. That means you're going away with a brand new car, a honeymoon in Singapore, $16,015 in prizes. Congratulations. Thank you. We'll take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive an assortment of fun games with Glasnost, a game of Soviet-American diplomacy, Digidisc, a Brain Buster, Baker Street, and Gagline, all furnished by John N. Hansen Company. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I was just talking about some high G turns in some Navy jet planes. No blood in the brain. Well, he had a lot of blood in his brain today and wound up winning a brand new car and 16 grand in prizes. Congratulations to you, Mark. We'll say goodbye. We'll see you all next time right here on Concentration.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.